I'm in night vision mode, which I know looks a little scary, but this is only you guys can see me as in this version of night mode because the lights are off. Now, I've been thinking about this cartoon now for almost a while now, and I was thinking about it over the day, and I just thought of something. I remember watching Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief, and that gave me an idea. Maybe one of the characters will be a half blood. Because Cartoon Universe says that natural born sinners who live in hell can have kids. But if you're an earthborn sinner like me, you can't have kids in hell. But what happens if a person like Vortex from Hell of a Boss had sex with a human? How would that work is the question for me. How would that work? Or if Luna had sex with a human, how would that work? Because we do know that if Luna and Vortex had kids, that would work out perfectly. But that's a question, though. What would happen? Because they never said anything about having sex with a half blood. I mean, they actually never been up. I don't think that's ever been actually asked if that about that, or if or a, or like Luna had sex with a natural born sinner. They never actually talk about that, do they? They actually never talk about that actually ever happening. They never talk about that, and I don't think it's ever been up. I asked the question. But that's a good question, though. Think about it. A living human being having sex with a demon, like an imp or a hellhound or something like that. How would that work out? The problem I'm thinking about is just one teeny problem. Some people say each 200 years to make one Earth year. I mean, 100 Earth years, like 200 Earth years is equivalent to 1 year in hell. How would that person, that's what I'm wondering. How would that person be aging? Like a vampire? Like how vampires don't even age at all? How would that actually work out? Would they be immortal or would they be, you know, that's kind of like the question that no one wants to answer. I'm just curious about that question. What would be the answer for that question? Is the question. What would be the answer to that question? That's just a question that no one knows about. Wow, you can see the shit on my teeth. I need to brush my teeth later. The question is, what about that? Maybe my cartoon might be about that. Who knows? But it could also be something else. But only time will tell. Only time will tell if I can find out. But I'm thinking 3 characters or 4 characters might be in the book, in the cartoon. If I ever can make a cartoon, I know what I do. That's a good question. So only time will tell if the cartoon can get made. And that's the only thing that time will tell. Will the cartoon ever get made? Is the question. Who knows, guys? Who knows? If the cartoon gets made, yippee. If I can't make it, at least I tried doing it. This video will be coming out. I don't know when I'm gonna do it, but I'm thinking about if I start working on it now, I might have one done by midnight, by New Year's. Who knows? But I don't even know if we're gonna make it, guys. But who knows? Who knows?